Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffron here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Grok Star Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Here's the trade that we had in the Grok Star Room this morning at GRPN Groupon Inc., and it had popped up in the morning. What you don't see here in pre-market is it had been up even higher and was falling before it opened. It continued down, then we had popped up and was coming down, and now is forming what we call a pullback sell, also known as a bear pullback. If you want to know more about that, you can go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. Look for pullback sell. There is a description of it, and here is a picture of it where the stock is falling and it hits a line of support, pulls back to a line of resistance, and begins to turn over. This is a bearish formation. Probabilities are it will continue down. So I told everyone in the room to go ahead and set themselves a short, and sure enough, here it's pulling down, and bam, I'm now in at $7.77. I am short. Let's see what happened next. Not much at all. It's now doing what we call a low base, with this 775 as support. Now that is that previous swing low. Who would have known it was going to stop there? But I'm not losing any money, so I continue in the trade, pulling my stop down here to 785, and then bam, that now I'm right here, and look where we have a little bit of a doji right here at the 50 period moving average, possible support on this 1 minute chart. But no, slices through that nicely. Oh, nice. And then it, bam, nice. There, and starts to kick up again. So I take out half here at $7.58 for 2.4%. Let's see what happened next. Boom, way there. We just had one order way out there and then pulled right back down. And now it's just low basing here again. This $7.60 just seems to be like a magnet for it, going on and on. So I'm still short half, hoping that it's going to break down, but it just doesn't seem to want to go. So I'm pulling my stop down here to just above the 20 period moving average, and there it closed above the 20 period moving average right here. So I am out again at 758. Both halves were out at 758. So it's for a total trade of 2.4% in 41 minutes. Well, what did it do after that? Well, it did kick back up. It's a good thing I got out of that short. Well, these are the kind of trades we're doing in the Grok Star Room. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffron. Just remember, when Darwin's theory of survival of the fittest was there, what he meant by fittest was not the smartest species, not the strongest species, but the species who adapted to their environment the quickest. What does that have to say about you as a trader?